When we think of neurotransmitters, dopamine, serotonin, and adrenaline steal the spotlight. But focusing only on these is like seeing just the tallest buildings in a city, missing the intricate network that makes it thrive. The brain is a city of 100 billion neurons, and its communication is far more complex than a few famous chemicals. What if I told you there are hidden messengers, powerful, mysterious, and often overlooked, that shape your every thought and feeling? Today, we'll uncover 5 of the rarest, most fascinating neurotransmitters, and reveal how they secretly influence your mind, your emotions, and even your pain. This isn't just a list, it's a journey into the cryptic language of your own brain. Let's dive in. Meet substance P, the brain's pain amplifier. When you stub your toe, the sharp pain is immediate, but the lingering ache? That's substance P at work. It's a neuropeptide that turns up the volume on pain, making sure you don't ignore injuries. But when this system malfunctions, as in chronic pain conditions, substance P keeps the alarm blaring, turning helpful pain into constant torment. It's not just about physical pain, substance P also links to anxiety and depression, blurring the line between body and mind. Found in the brain's fear center, it connects pain to emotion, making suffering deeply personal. Scientists have tried to block substance P to treat pain and mood disorders, but the brain's chemistry is a delicate balance. One change can ripple through many systems. Substance P reminds us, pain is a complex, multi-layered experience, rooted in real molecules. It's essential for survival, but when overactive, it traps us in cycles of suffering. Understanding it could unlock new hope for those living with chronic pain and emotional distress. Substance P is the alarm bell of the brain, sometimes a lifesaver, sometimes a tormentor. But by studying it, we get closer to controlling pain at its source. The hurt we feel, whether physical or emotional, is real, right down to the molecules in our brains. Substance P bridges body and mind, showing us that pain is more than a feeling, it's a chemical reality. And in that reality there's hope for relief. Let's move from pain to pleasure. Next up, the bliss molecule. Anandamide, named after the Sanskrit word for bliss, is your brain's own version of THC. It's an endocannabinoid, binding to the same receptors as cannabis, but with subtler, balanced effects. Anandamide regulates mood, memory, appetite, and pain, producing calm and happiness. Ever felt a runner's high? That's anandamide, not just endorphins flooding your brain after intense exercise. Even chocolate boosts anandamide, explaining that post-chocolate glow. Unlike other neurotransmitters, anandamide is made on demand and quickly broken down, giving you brief moments of relief and joy. It helps us forget unnecessary pain and memories, which is crucial for mental health. Dysregulation in this system is linked to conditions like PTSD, where the brain can't let go of trauma. Scientists are exploring drugs that boost anandamide naturally, offering hope for anxiety, depression, and pain, without the high of cannabis. Anandamide is your built-in stress reliever, the reason for fleeting moments of bliss. It's proof that happiness isn't just external, it's wired into your brain. Next, let's see how chemistry shapes our social bonds. Meet the molecule of commitment and conflict. Vasopressin, known for water balance, plays a powerful role in our social lives. In the brain, it's the commitment chemical, helping form long-term bonds and loyalty. Studies on voles show that more vasopressin receptors mean lifelong monogamy, less means promiscuity. In humans, vasopressin boosts feelings of connection, trust, and even parental protectiveness. But it also has a dark side. It fuels jealousy, territoriality, and aggression toward outsiders. Vasopressin draws the line between us and them, strengthening bonds but also guarding them fiercely. It sharpens social recognition, making us remember friends and rivals. This duality is key to our tribal nature. The same molecule that builds families can spark conflict. Dysregulation may play a role in social disorders like autism or antisocial behavior. Vasopressin is more than a hydration hormone. It's the architect of love, loyalty, and rivalry. It shows how chemistry shapes both our deepest connections and our fiercest defenses. The same force that brings us together can drive us apart. Next, let's meet a neurotransmitter that breaks all the rules, a gas that helps you think. Nitric oxide, yes, a gas, is one of the brain's most unconventional messengers. Unlike other neurotransmitters, it's made on demand and diffuses freely, signaling to many neurons at once. Nitric oxide is crucial for neural plasticity, the brain's ability to adapt, learn, and form memories. It works through retrograde signaling. The receiving neuron sends no back to the sender, strengthening their connection. This is how memories are physically encoded. Without nitric oxide, learning and memory would be severely impaired. Beyond the brain, it widens blood vessels, increasing blood flow, vital for both thinking and physical health. Drugs like Viagra work by enhancing nitric oxide's effects. In the brain, it ensures active neurons get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Scientists are exploring its potential for treating hypertension, stroke, and neurodegenerative diseases. Nitric oxide is a simple gas, but it orchestrates some of the brain's most complex functions. It's not stored, doesn't use receptors, and can even signal backward. Through this elegant simplicity, it helps shape who we are, moment by moment. Now let's talk about the brain's gentle brake pedal. Meet glycine. Glycine, best known as a simple amino acid, is also a crucial inhibitory neurotransmitter. If glutamate is the brain's gas pedal, glycine is a specialized brake, especially in the spinal cord and brainstem. It smooths out movement by telling opposing muscles to relax, preventing chaos and spasms. Without glycine, even basic actions would become violent and uncontrolled. Strychnine poisoning proves this. Glycine also sharpens our senses, filtering out background noise so we can focus on what matters. It's like noise-canceling headphones for the nervous system. Glycine helps regulate sleep by lowering body temperature, signaling it's time to rest. As a supplement, it can improve sleep quality without grogginess. Interestingly, glycine also helps excite neurons in some brain regions, showing its dual role as both brake and accelerator. It's a master of balance, calming, focusing, and fine-tuning our nervous system. Glycine reminds us that true control comes from knowing when to stop, not just when to go. It's the quiet force that brings order to the brain's chaos. Now let's bring it all together. The brain's rare messengers are more powerful than you think. Here's what we've learned. We've uncovered 5 rare neurotransmitters: substance P, Anandamide, Vasopressin, Nitric Oxide, Glycine. Each shapes your experience in ways you rarely notice, from pain and bliss to love, learning, and calm. Your brain isn't just powered by dopamine and serotonin, it's an orchestra of dozens of unique messengers. Some play the melody, others the harmony, all creating the rich symphony of your mind. The greatest mysteries aren't in the stars, but in the 3 pounds of matter between your ears. Which neurotransmitter surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more neuroscience insights. Until next time, keep your brain curious.